Hello guys! Today we're gonna talk about dino facts in the Dino Dome! And today we're gonna talk about Big Guy. His name is not really Big Guy, he just named the Big Guy. Because he's big. So, dino facts number 1. Giganotosaurus. You pronounce the name Giganotosaurus. This is a biggiest. Look at this. This is metal. Here's it. That's fact number 2. Yeah. They almost weighed up as 2 elephants. Like 30 tons. But I meant 1, 3, 13. Dino facts number 3. Their length was about 12 to 13 meters, 40 feet. Dino facts number 4. Wait, this is 8. 4. They have very small brains, as big as a remote or something. Or maybe as big as a banana. Here comes octopus 5. They're meat eaters. That means they eat horses and other animals. The horses runs away because it's noticed a Giganotosaurus. Next time, you're gonna be my next dinner. Yum 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 yum. I'm still alive. You ran away. Oh yeah, you wanna catch me up fast? Oh, you don't dare. I have big feet. See you in my next episode. No, my episode, not yours. See you in the snap cut.